Welcome to our review tutorial. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to add personalization options on Shopify, creating variant-based options for preset choices, and adding a custom text field for customer details. Let's dive in. Option 1. Adding various product options variants like size, color, style, and material. First, from your Shopify admin, click on Products in the left menu, and then choose the product you'd like to personalize with variant options. Once you're on the Products Edit page, scroll down to the Variants section. Now, click on Add Variant. Then, select the name for this personalization option. For example, let's call it Color. Next, enter each of the value options you can offer like white, blue, and black. Other colors can also be added such as beige, bronze, brown and green. Similar to adding variant size, you add existing product sizes such as S, M, L, XL, and so on. After that, click Save at the top right to apply your changes. Now, preview your product page to ensure these new variant options appear as selectable choices under the product. Option 2. Adding a custom text field for personalization. Next, we'll add a simple text field where customers can enter custom details, engraving options like a name or special message. First, from your Shopify admin, go to Online Store on the left side of your screen, then select Themes. Next, you'll see your active theme. Go to the Customize button right next and click it. Now, in your theme editor, navigate to the default product page. Next, click the Change and Preview tab to select the product page you want. Then, in the product information, click Add Block. After that, choose Custom Liquid. Next, you're going to paste a small code snippet. For example, with stores using the Dawn theme, add this code snippet. This code will create a text field labeled Engraving where customers can type their custom message. Now, go ahead and click Save in the top right corner. Once saved, preview your product page to check the new personalization field, and just like that, you've added a custom text field. Whether you're selling custom gifts or unique products, these options make it easy to offer personalization that stands out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.